Does the law of attraction really work? And can I just sit in my bedroom and manifest anything that I want? I had this conversation the other day with a buddy of mine, and we were talking about it. And in theory, yes, you could just sit there and manifest things. Now, let me just kind of backtrack because I've used the law of attraction. Well, okay, everybody uses the law of attraction every single day. It's at work, whether you're doing stuff or not. Perfect example, you get out of bed, you stub your toe, you have a bad day because you just let yourself go with that. The more bad things you think about, the more bad things you're going to bring into your life. The more good things you think about, the more good things you're going to bring into your life. In reality, there's nothing bad or good. It's just a matter of where you vibrate and how you feel emotionally. So when you're feeling good and you're feeling that high vibration energy, you're going to align with that and bring that into your life. It's that simple. I've done it. I've changed my entire life, literally from one place on the spectrum to a completely different place in under a year. I'll do a video about that at a later date. But right now, I just want to talk about, does the law of attraction work and what is your part in it? So yes, your role is to feel good. You have to sit there and do things that make you feel good. You have to envision your goal. You have to be laser focused on what it is that you want. You can't just sit there and go, well, I want these 10 things and try to think about those 10 things at a time. You have to do it in succession. So start with the first thing that you're looking to do, whether it's a new job, a new house, new car, new relationship, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. You figure out what it is that you want, but focus on that thing and set your intention, put it out to the universe, but then don't sit there asking about it every single day or, trying to envision it every single day. Yes, picture it, have that good thought, but then release it and go out and do your thing. Be in life. So what do I mean by be in life? Well, we all have our routines that we do on a daily basis. We get up, we brush our teeth, we get ready, we go to the gym, hopefully. Then we start our work day, we do our work day, we come home, we spend time with family. In between all of that stuff, or while you're doing all that stuff, you have to stay in that positive frame of mind, knowing that what you've put out to the universe is coming back to you. And then pay attention. Again, I've done videos about meditation and how it helps you become aware of what you're thinking and feeling at all times. So when you get that inspired thought, you could be on your way home from work. This is, again, related to the Go With Your Gut video that I did a little while back. You could be on your way home from work and all of a sudden you get this inspired thought to like, well, I need to stop at that Starbucks for some reason or whatever it is. And if you ignore that, you might be missing out on one little encounter that's going to lead you down a path that's going to bring you to exactly what it is that you're trying to manifest in your life. So that leads me to the second question of, does the law of attraction work by just sitting in your room thinking about stuff? I mean, yeah, kind of, but there comes a point where you're going to have to act. It's a two-part thing. It's not like we can just sit here and manifest things out of thin air. I want to say maybe at some point you might be able to do that if you evolve enough. Because again, everything's energy. So if you can just kind of, pull things out of thin air, because it's not out of thin air, everything's energy, right? So technically, I guess you could do that. But realistically speaking, most of us don't believe enough that we can do that. So we won't be able to. So the way that the universe works through us, it's very simple, really. You set your intention, you keep your positive frame of mind, you believe that you're ready to achieve this and you're going to receive it. And then you have to pay attention to those inspired thoughts that come into your head. They come at all hours of the day. It could be in the middle of the night. You wake up and you're like, oh my God, I need to do X, Y, Z. Write that down, go back to sleep, and then do it in the morning. But you will have to act. It's a two-part thing. You're going to have to take action at some point. If you're trying to grow your business, right? And you're trying to think of what it is that you need to do, and you've done all these different things, and all of a sudden you get this inspired thought, oh, I should call this person and advertise in this place. Well, dude, that is your soul talking to you. That is the universe working through you going, hey, if you do those two things that I just sent you, you're going to grow your business. You're going to achieve your goals. So in short, does the law of attraction work? Absolutely. My advice is meditate so that you can be hyper aware of your thoughts and feelings so that when the inspired thought comes in, you will know to take action because that's what it is. Set your intention, believe it, feel good, and then take the inspired action when it comes to you. So in short, yes, the law of attraction works. I've used it. It's worked for me. It's worked for so many people that I know. And can you manifest things from sitting in your bedroom? To a point. You will be able to sit there and have those thoughts, but if you just kind of have those thoughts and let them go and don't do anything, you're not going to get anything. You have to take action. So it's a two-part thing. believe it, see it, and then act on it so that you can achieve it. If you like what I'm talking about, go ahead and hit that like button. You can subscribe over here. Follow me on Instagram at @TheAdamKruger. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.